Hello everyone, wanted to make a quick video tutorial on how to produce and assemble our new 3D ornaments. So in front of us here we have all four components that are involved to create one ornament. So we have the top layer, the mid layer, and the backer. And then we also have this new band that we created to keep basically everything together. And this is going to join all the layers to create that 3D effect. So it's going to give you that nice spacing in between each layer. That's a little different than what we have currently. At this stage here, if we plan on adding any color, I would do it now before assembling. In this case, I'm just adding a colored background to it, just to make the top layers pop a little bit more. You can get more detailed and color in all the presents and tree and everything to make it very unique. So we'll get into the assembly part now. And you'll see on the band here that on all these different holes in the centers, one is going to be a bit larger. The larger one is intended for to go at the top, just where the hanger is, just to make that a little bit more durable and to prevent any breaking. Okay, so once everything's colored, you're ready to set it up. I recommend flipping this over, going to the back side, get the middle layer and find that wider piece, and you want to just punch that in here. It should fit nicely. Again, you can make these ornaments with any material thickness. We included a lot of different options for you to do that. I'm using 3mm here, and I would suggest going with that. The larger you get from there, the ornament gets a little bit thicker, but it's all preference. They're all included for you to use anyways. So once we get here, we just want to keep rolling the ornament, and then you could see you might have to pull it slightly. Don't pull too much, just slightly, and then pop it in. And this basically makes sure that the band's nice and tight around, that it holds everything together. And then go to the last one. And then when you get to this piece here, you're gonna notice it's a little short. What you wanna do is you wanna just stretch it slightly, okay? Stretch it slightly, and then that's going to make this part very tight around it. Okay, so you'll see like that middle piece is not coming out, so that's good. For the top and the background, if you choose the right band, it should fit nice and tight. Your ornament should fit nice and tightly inside this next part here. So just get those pieces in, and you can notice like that's not going anywhere. If you want, you can add, I'll show you on the back here, you can add just a little bit of glue in this area here, just in like the notch area. And once you add some glue there, then drop in that backer into those areas. And push it together, and it should hold by itself. And if you did add some glue, that glue is going to give it like an extra strong bond in those areas. And there you have it, 3D ornament. You can see kind of like the depth that it gives a cool effect. And if you have any questions, leave them down below or reach out to us anytime. Thanks.